they are having a very tough time. You know why? Majority of them only one business, one line. You need to change. You don't want to be the same thing. Repairs alone is not enough. Competition is out there. Someone is out there can fix better than me if I was a repair shop. Someone is out there cheaper than me. Someone is out there more convenient than me. His employees, his space. So you cannot always compete with repair. You gotta have something different than what they have. And you know what is it? Sales. Sell wireless, sell prepaid. If you're selling prepaid, you are helping the customer fix his phone and saving his bill. Sometimes, some places, some repair shops I know, they're offering activate your phone for free your first month. We don't want to go that aggressive. Just bring your phone and fix it. Listen, there is many ways you can do and you can become aggressive. But I don't advise giving anything for free. Give them value, give them discount, give them accessory, give them a piece of something when they do both.